Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you the Hemsut Apple Watch bands, the stylish and easy to use new bands that you can attach to your Apple Watch. Made with high quality and breathable nylon, as well as tons of other unique colors designed to match your watch, keep your device at hand with a strap that looks great and feels great. You can purchase your very own Hemsut watch bands using the link on the screen or in the description. When you order your bands, each one will come in a simple plastic bag with a sporty and stylish design. The clasps and adapters on each band are also specifically designed to match the corresponding Apple Watch, including the iWatch SE38 through 45mm for Series 1 through 7, as well as the iWatch SE Sports Edition. To attach the straps, simply slide the clasps onto each side of the watch, and then once they're attached, you can place the watch on your wrist. With an ultra-strength Velcro hook and loop closure, you can easily fit the watch on your wrist and adjust for the size accordingly. The strap will also ensure that it will stay on the whole time with no sliding or coming loose. With a solid metal connector as well as an upgraded pin which is made by a metal screw joint, these straps are sturdy and reliable. Designed for heavy-duty wear, these watch bands are extremely durable so you can wear them at work while hiking, fishing, biking, skiing, or even when you're traveling. So no matter where you are or what you're doing, you can be sure that your strap will stay fitted on at all times. In addition to the band's style and quality, the nylon on the straps is also made in a woven loop, making it conducive to sweat absorption and heat dissipation. You will no longer have to worry about the material getting worn or irritating your skin. Hemsut watch bands are specifically designed for intense activity, so they will stay dry and durable all day long. You can also get the bands in a wide variety of colors and styles to match your watch and customize it to your liking. With so many options and different types of products, Hemsut watch bands are bound to have something for everyone, ensuring that your Apple Watch will be sleek, classy, and easy to wear like never before. With so many awesome features, Hemsut watch bands are fantastic accessories to your Apple Watch. Carefully crafted with one of the highest quality materials, your straps will look great and feel great, keeping you constantly satisfied and stylish. They also make great presents for family and friends on birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, or any other holiday you celebrate. Whether it's to add some style and functionality to your own Apple Watch or a special gift for a loved one, be sure not to miss out on this incredible product and order your Hemsut watch bands today using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy your Apple Watch band.